In this question we have given find out the area of trapezium. This is the figure we have given. AB is equal to 25, BC is equal to 14 centimeter, CD is equal to 10 centimeter and AD is equal to 13 centimeter. But how we will find? We don't have anything to find out. We don't have edge, we don't have area, we don't have sides also. Correct sides. Okay. So what we will do? We are mark a parallel lines same as AD. Okay, which is draw a parallel line CE. We will draw a parallel line CE. Okay, in this AD is equal to 13 centimeter, then EC is also 13 centimeter. Correct, because parallel line sides are also equal. It's look like parallelogram. See, it's look like parallelogram. So the side of both are equal, and then this one is 10 centimeter. Then can we tell ED is equal to 15 centimeter? ED is equal to 15. Why? 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 centimeter. We can tell like this. Correct? So this one is 15, this one is 13 and this one is 14. We all know about Heron's formula. From Heron's formula, okay, what is given in Heron's formula? Area is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the area of a triangle ECB. Triangle ECB. In this way we will find out. Okay, in this we have given A is equal to 13, B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 14. Correct? So how we will find out S? S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is the Heron's formula. We learned this in our previous class only. So what we will do, we will put all these values here only. 13 plus 15 plus 14 divided by 2. After adding all these questions, what we will get? 3 plus 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 42, which is 21 centimeter. Centimeter is S. Okay. Now we have to find out area. We will put all these value into there. Okay. Firstly, I write this equation. So S we have find out already 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. Okay. So root under 21 into 6 into 7 into 8. Okay. Now we can expand this value. Correct, which is 7 in 21 we can expand as 7 into 3, 6 we can expand as 2 into 3 and 7 we can write like this only, and 8 we can expand 2 into 4. Correct, 2 into 4. So there are 2 7s, so 7 will be out, 3 will be out, 2 will be out, and 4 we can write 2 into 2, so 2 will also out. Okay. Then 7 3 is 21, 42, 84 centimeter. We have to find out value of h. So what we will do? Area of triangle we will find out half into base into height. Okay. Area of triangle, which is the triangle is this ECB, is equal to half into base into height. Okay. So half we have given B which is base is 15 we have given, and h we should find out, and area already we have find out 84. Okay. So 84 into 2 divided by 15 h. Therefore after calculating we will get 11.2 centimeter is the height. Okay. After that what we will do? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to, what is the formula? Half into A plus B into H. Okay, this we know. After that, we will put all these value here only. 1 by 2. A we have given as 10 plus B is 25 base into H. Here we find out 11.2. Okay. So 35 by 2 into 11.2. 5.6. After multiplying, what we will get? 196 centimeter square is the area of trapezium.